a drive now to train our young people in business process outsourcing. You would have heard the great ideas for this area. And I say to the young people, take advantage of the opportunities that are out there. We are now looking to train over 3,000 people in the business process outsourcing through Heart Trust NTA. We have merged the Heart Trust and the NYS JFLL to create more opportunities. One of the things when I came in as the Minister of State in Youth, we recognized that St. Thomas was one of the few parishes that doesn't have a youth center, not even a youth community access point. In fact, our youth officers used to have to catch by Paul Bogle. Hi, we're changing that. And we've signed the lease agreement right on Queen Street in Morant Bay. You're going to have your first ever youth access point in St. Thomas this year. They say the time is spent. But there are more things that we're doing. We're working on the youth policy, which we expect that our new youth policy will be unveiled come this month. We're also reintroducing the PM Youth Awards. And I want to encourage our young people from St. Thomas to apply. Because one of the things we're doing this year is that we're looking for 55 young people across the length and breadth of Jamaica who have strong community service. Because sometimes you have the young people in the communities doing well and they're not being recognized. This government going to recognize our young people for their service. The last thing I will say, I'll touch a little education. For a long time we have spoken about secondary education. But unless we fix our basic schools, unless we fix our primary schools, we won't get education right. Because we keep playing catch up in the education game. Last year, we did a lot to ensure access at the secondary level. This year, we say, a lot of our primary schools need more resources. Our primary schools used to get $850 per student to take care of the general needs of the school. In this budget, we have increased that allocation from $850 per student to $2,500 per student to help our primary schools do a better job. I have tremendous hope